Yeah. Some people are saying you've dropped your pirate hat.
Oh, so I have my pirate hat. Oh, very much, Adam. Yeah, I need that hat. Yes.
Captain, your feather sword?
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to drop it.
You dropped your pirate hat.
My hat. Oh, dear. How could I do that? I don't know how.
Captain, your feather sword.
Oh, no, my sword. I need that sword.
Your pirate hat.
Oh, my hat. Really?
Captain, hang on a second.
Oh, yes, what's that?
I'll pass you this wonderful feather sword so you don't drop your pirate hat.
Oh, that's a great idea, Anthony.
Would you do us a big favour, Captain?
Sure.
If we count to three, will you take 3 steps backwards?
Okay, definitely. Okay.
Let's count to 3, everybody. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Now put out your arms to catch the wonderful feather sword.
Oh, okay, sure.
Everybody, can you do us a big favour? Can you cross your fingers for good luck? I'm going to pass this feather sword to the captain, and he's going to catch it, and we'll go on with the rest of the show.
Yeah, Captain. Here we go.
Oh dear, Captain, are you okay?
Oh yeah, I've got the sword, don't worry about
Well, that's good, Captain. It seems that you're having a little bit of trouble with that hat of yours, so how about you try this hat here? This one has many flags from all over the world on it, Captain.
That's a fantastic hat there, Greg. Thank you very much.
Let's give him a big clap, Captain Feathersword! Yes, everyone, the captain has a hat with flags from all around the world. And that reminds me, we're all about to go sailing around the world, sailing all around the world with Captain Feathersword. We ask everybody to put on your own sailing hats. Put them on tight, everybody. We're going over some lovely waves, that's it. And when we get to the different countries, you'll see different flags from different countries, everybody. Now, if you see your favourite flag, will you let us know by clapping out really loud? You can even tell us, that's my favourite flag, or just clap, we'll know that. But right now, let's go sailing all around the world.
Oh, we just love to sail around the world. Why don't you all come sailing around the world with us? Woohoo!
Clap them up there.
Sailing all around the world.
Wow! See what you can see.
Sailing oh so free. Feathersword is the captain.
Oh, I just love to pirate that.
It's pirate hat.
Here we go now.
Well, come on now, come on with me.
Oh, we're taking a trip on the wavy seas.
Sail the ship all around on the good ship Feathersword. Well, come on now, come on with me.
Oh, we're taking a trip on the wavy seas.
Sail the ship all around on the good ship Feathersword. It's a Jamaica.
Sailing all the way from Sydney Harbour to beautiful Connecticut, everybody. And we couldn't be happier. Give yourself a big clap. Fantastic.
That's right, everyone. You know, we love sailing, and we'd love you to come sailing with us right now because we're all on our way to Wiggle Bay.
Don't consider who again, but Wiggle Bay.
We're on our way to Wiggle Bay. One hand like that.
Like that.
Can you swim like this?
Like this.
Swim like that.
Like that.
Swim like this. Were you ready to swim like a fish? Everybody keep looking out for our friendly fish, Bedfish. He comes out and swims too. He's brightly coloured with a bright orange face. But everybody right now, let's all swim like fish.